So this is our road project now that we're starting to pour. And yesterday we had a problem with the mixer. I only got a one bagger mixer, but you can see it's just stopped working and we can't wait for it to be fixed. So the team here have decided that it will be better to do it manually. But look how thick is the concrete that I built. You can see the proper spacers. And after that we will vibrate when we are finished, so you can see that the actual road is very solid. And I didn't skimp on the rebars. This is not the way the barangay road is done. They only put rebars in the middle, but not this one. I put rebars all over the proper spacer and the proper mix, which is important. It is 1 cement, 2 sands, and 3 gravels. 1, 2, 3. I call it Prime A mix. So you can see that the team may have done it manually, but we find it faster than the one bagger cement that we need to wait before they can even do another pour. So like yesterday when the mixer started to go off and we're just on the 8th bag mix and something's wrong with it, our 18th bag. So they decided that they will do it manually, and until 7 o'clock last night they have finished like 30 bags of concrete, about 12 meters long. So this is a very good job. With only, you can see there's Maymay, one of the members of the team, because I only have 3 workers. Mine it's Jonathan, Mars, and Susan, and Maymay. So the rest is that there's family, friends that's helping with the pour. So they're just waiting for it to dry up a bit. It's already been vibrated, and now it's just leveling it up to the line that they have put in for the slope, so it can be smoothed out when it's a little bit drier than what it is. So just about half an hour, and you can see how thick we have poured this road. And we only got 5 families, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 5 families actually that's be using this road. But you know, I want it strong. Once built will last, not once built and you will have to repair it again and again.